Okay, part B. I'm going to go with the same steps. We're going to multiply coefficients and add exponents. Now this x squared has a invisible 1 in front of it. So I'm going to do -4 times 1, which gives me -4. And then x. And then I'm going to add my exponents. So 3 plus 2, that gives me 5. Now let's move on to the next term. So -4 times +3 gives me -12. X, and then this is x to the first. So 1 plus 3 gives me 4. And now -4 times -4 gives me +16. And there is no x's for this 4 on the end of this trinomial, so I'm going to just tack on the x cubed from the monomial. And that, my friends, is my answer in standard form. And now it's your turn to try it.